Alright, so we officially have a tortoise room. Only tortoises. Yeah, well, I do have my leopard geckos. But yeah, I built this room, or at least got it organized and put together. I always had a room, but it was a man cave, and then I had tortoises in there. Now, a tortoise room. So yeah, I built all the shelves. Got both of them up now. Got all new lighting, which is nice. Some lights going on. Keep that in front of the window. So yeah, here's all the tortoises. I did get a couple new ones in the last couple days. I got this guy right here. He's definitely it's a she. She's in quarantine right now. Probably put her outside in a couple days. She's looking good. I also got this one right here, this big Russian. Quarantine. And then all the other babies. In my last couple videos, you'll see all the babies. So, yeah. I finally got to put my shelf together of my shells. Ornate, turtle, Herman's, turtle, and then my alligator head. And a bunch of my little tchotchkes and all the stickers and Ninja Turtle cards from the 80s. Keep those on deck. So yeah, there we go. Everyone enjoy their Sunday.